Most data we've looked at is a static pile of values. Shuffle the rows and nothing changes. But monthly sales is different. December follows November for a reason. The moment a date enters the picture, you have a time series, where the order itself is data. We'll work with retail orders. Individual orders are too jagged, so first I roll them up to one number per month. There's no automatic by-month bucketing, so I add a month column, a formula column derived from date. Then open charts, trend, set the independent picker to that month column, Y to revenue, and the statistic to sum. That gives one clean number per period, drawn here in time order. Almost every real series is a blend of three things. There's the trend, the slow long-run direction. There's seasonality, a pattern that repeats on the calendar, like the reliable holiday lift. And there's noise, the irregular wobble left over. The raw line jumps around, so let's smooth it. For a time series, the natural tool is a moving average. From the trend menu, I pick moving average and set the window to 12. Each point becomes the average of its 12-month neighborhood, so a whole year of seasonal swings cancels out and only the underlying direction is left. Centered keeps the smooth curve aligned with the data. Turn it off for a trailing average that looks only backward, the way a running total does. And lowest is still there if you'd rather fit a flexible curve than a fixed window. A trend line follows one series through time, but often the question is different. My categories all changed from last year to this. Who rose? Who fell? Did the ranking shuffle? That's the slope graph. I derive a year label, the year of each date, wrapped in text so it counts as a category. Then open the slope graph in long form. Entity is product category, stage is year, value is revenue, summed. Each category becomes a line from 2023 to 2024. Sloping up is growth, down is decline, and where two lines cross, two categories swapped rank. Color by direction, and the winners and losers separate on site. Trend tells you where a process is going, and a slope graph, how its parts shifted between periods. Next, we ask whether it's stable with control charts.